In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage tasks using Jira, an essential tool for teams looking to streamline their workflow. We'll start by opening your Jira site in Chrome. You can do this by typing in your company's unique Jira URL into the address bar. Once it loads up, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, your next task will be to either create a new project or select an existing one. You'll find this option right at the top of your screen under Projects. If you're creating something new, you'll need to choose a project template. The options you'll encounter will include Scrum, Kanban, and bug tracking. Each template caters to different needs, whether you're managing sprints, focusing on a continuous workflow, or keeping an eye on bug tracking. Choosing the right template is important as it aligns with how you plan to manage your team's work. Now that your project is set up, let's move on to the real core of task management by creating issues. These issues can take different forms: epics, stories, tasks, or subtasks. Think of these as the building blocks of your project, holding all your detailed work. It's critical to assign these issues to the relevant team members, set due dates to keep everyone on schedule, and prioritize tasks to guide your team on what needs immediate attention. Adding labels or components is also a wise move, as they help keep your work organized and make it easier to filter and categorize tasks. One of the standout features of Jira is its boards, which you can use to visually track the workflow. Based on your choice of the template, your project will either utilize a Kanban or Scrum board. These boards represent your work in columns that show the task status, such as to do, in progress, and done. As your team makes progress, these tasks will be moved from one column to the next. Quick filters are especially helpful here. They allow you to focus on specific tasks, whether you're looking at an individual team member's workload or examining tasks by priority level. If you're someone who appreciates the big picture, Jira roadmaps will be invaluable. For those using advanced roadmaps, you'll see a clear hierarchy from epics to stories, right down to those smaller subtasks. This structure aids in effective scheduling across different teams and tracking any important dependencies. You can easily adjust timelines and set priorities using the visual drag and drop feature available. Monitoring progress is a key aspect of project management, and Jira makes it easy. Log work hours, monitor issue statuses, and keep an eye on due dates to ensure nothing is overlooked. Dashboards provide real-time insights into progress and key metrics, keeping you consistently informed on how the project is developing. Lastly, let's touch on collaboration, a crucial element in any team effort. Jira supports this by allowing you to add comments, use mentions to draw team members into discussions, and attach files when necessary. Share your boards, filters, and dashboards to enhance transparency across your team. You can even let your team vote on issues to collectively determine which tasks take precedence. With this setup, you'll have built a robust, comprehensive project management system in Jira, paving the way for efficient team collaboration and task management.